and we are going to make sandwich bread using Tastefully Simple's beer bread. You probably know, obviously it makes great beer bread, but did you know you can get more of an easily sliced bread, less crumbly and an easier sandwich-based bread if you just add the 2 secret ingredients, which is really 1 secret ingredient. Hi Beth. Hi Sarah. Of 2 eggs in addition to your beer. And of course, I usually will not use a good Corona in my beer bread, but right now it's absolutely necessary to put a good Corona in my beer bread. Okay, so here we go. We are adding beer bread right into my bowl. How's everyone handling the quarantine, the Corona-tine? Corona-tine? Yes, I know I should be using my scissors. Here's a knife. We'll use this. All right, hope everyone's surviving. So we're gonna put our beer bread into the bowl. And then we're gonna pop the top of the Corona. And what I always say, number 1, have a sip before you do anything else. Then add that in there. And then you're gonna add your 2 eggs right on in. Boom, boom, ka-choo. All right, and that is pretty much it, everybody. This is gonna create a more cakey consistency, so your bread, when it comes out of the oven, is gonna taste a lot more like your sandwich bread and be a lot easier to cut and easier and ready to go when it comes to making sandwich bread, which I don't know about you, but if you go to look for bread at the store, it's pretty hard to find right now. All right, so I'm going to put this right into my bread pan. Like that. Alrighty. There it is. And then I'm actually going to, I totally missed the pan there, add a little butter to the top. Just because I like that saltiness on top. And that's it. You throw it in your oven, your normal amount of time. You can see it's a little more cakier than it would normally be. It would be a lot thicker, but this is a little cakier. That's it. I will show you a picture when it's done of sandwich beer bread. I'm going to scrape that down. All right. Bye, everyone. Hope you're doing well.